Happy Saturday. So today's video is going to be a PR unboxing. Last week I did my beauty summer must-haves, basically talking about all the products I've been loving for the summertime. So if you guys missed that, make sure you check it out. But without further ado, let's go ahead and see the new launches. First up, we have some blush sticks from ColourPop. I love blush sticks. So they sent over 4 of them. So let's check these out. Ooh, this is pretty. This one's called Cottage Life. It's a very pretty kind of a neutral shade. Then we have Cool It. Ooh, this one's really pretty too. I love this pink. Oh, that one's really gorgeous. Again, that one's called Cool It. Then we have 25-8. This one's really pretty too. Also a great one for the summertime. I like the warmth to it. And then the last one is called Mini Me. Oh my God, I love this one too. Look how pretty that pink is. Oh, these are such pretty colors. Thank you so much, ColourPop. I cannot wait to use. The next package is from a brand called Flutterhabit. They are Luxe Faux Mink eyelashes. This is the Dramatic collection. So I have lash extensions. I've had mine for now 5 years, I would say. So I'm not gonna most likely use these, so I'll save these and give these away to someone else. But these are absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. CIATÉ London sent over some products. They sent over their Plum, which is their plumping lip gloss. We also have the Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow. This one's in the shade Dewdrop. And then this one I haven't seen. This is it's a Vitamin Boost Plumping Primer. Oh, it's a face primer. Oh, how cool. I've never seen this one either before. And then I'm really excited to look at this. This is called the Brazilian Glow Eyeshadow Palettes. Look at these shades. How gorgeous is that? This is like perfect for the summertime. I actually did a little bit more with my eyeshadow today. I did like a light brown all over the lid and up into the crease. And then I added some darker brown like on the outer corner. And I'm like, oh, I need to do my eyeshadow more. I feel like I don't do it anymore. So I definitely need to jump into this. So thank you so much, CIATÉ London. Okay, so next up we have a package from First Aid Beauty, and it looks like they launched a new product. And it's this guy right here. It's Step 2 Hydrate. So apply after shower to lock in moisture, unlock silky smooth skin. Oh, I'm excited to see this. Okay, it's a nourishing body oil. I really want to try this out. Actually, let me put on the hand that doesn't have the Band-Aid. It's been really hard to do my skincare and stuff routine with this Band-Aid right there. Oh my God, it smells so good. Oh, I love First Aid Beauty too. Oh my gosh, I love this. It smells amazing. And then they also sent over their Bump Eraser Body Scrub too. This is an exfoliant. And it looks like they sent over a cute little robe as well. So thank you so much, First Aid Beauty. I'm super excited about this new launch. I love a good body oil. Kate Somerville sent over some goodies. So they sent over Meet Your New Cleanser Wardrobe. 3 iconic cleansers, 3 versatile techniques. Ooh, I love this. Okay, so they sent over 3 of their cleansers. We have the EradiKate Daily Foaming Cleanser, which is perfect if you are dealing with breakouts. Then we've got the Goat Milk, which is a moisturizing cleanser. I would love this one because my skin definitely needs good hydration. And, oh, I like this one too. I've used this one a lot before. This is the Exfolikate cleanser. Another really good one. I love to use also an exfoliating cleanser every morning because I feel like I get like so much buildup, and it just really helps get rid of all that like dead skin on top, and it makes your skin feel smooth, allows your makeup to go on nicely. Like I've been dealing with a lot of pilling lately, and I feel like it's because I'm not exfoliating enough. So definitely got to add this one to my routine. Okay, so this next one I'm super stoked about. So this is from the Del Mar Thorough Club. So opening day is actually today, as you guys are watching this, is on Saturday. Ross and I, he gets home on Friday, and we were gonna go, but it's just, I don't know if we're gonna be able to because my parents are out of town, which are usually my babysitters, and we leave on Monday, and he just gets back from traveling. So I really want to go to opening day, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to get a sitter. But hopefully, because they actually sent over some tickets for us, which I'm super excited. The perfect cocktail of thrilling races. It's just a really cool vibe there. I haven't been to opening day, but I've been to the races a few times, and it's just really fun. They sent over a fun little sugar cookie as well. And my favorite thing ever, tequila. I only drink tequila. Tequila is my jam, you guys. I don't drink anything else. I'm not a big wine person. I'm not a big champagne person. Vodka is a no-go. I have not touched vodka since like my beginning years of college. I can't smell it, but tequila is my love. It's a good little upper. And then they sent over this cute, oh my God, I love this little shaker. Then we have, oh, I love these two from Fourth Rate Beauty. We have the Watermelon Overnight Lip Mask. These are amazing. And then this really cute clip. Oh, I love. And then, oh no, oh no. They also sent over one of these handheld fans, which I actually really wanted just to like help dry my face after like doing my skincare routine. And then we've got, ooh, a candle that smells really good. Oh, this is perfect for like a bathroom. Oh, I love that. And another sugar cookie in here, which is really cute too. And it's really sad, but I had a cup here, but it broke. Or I think it's a candle holder because we also have like little matches in here, but the candle, it broke. Oh no. All right, oh well. Thank you so much for the invite. I'm hoping we can make it. I have to hunt down a sitter. It's tough. Next up, I have a package from MILANI. It says make it last. So I believe this is their setting spray. Let me see how to open this real quick. Oh, how cute. It's a little locker. Oh, that's so cute the way they did that. Oh my God, look at how huge this setting spray is. MILANI Make It Last. Ooh, I don't think I've ever tried this one. I gotta give it a go. I haven't used a setting spray in a really long time, since back in my Ipsy days, because it would really help the makeup, everything like melt together because we were using such full coverage. But you know, I should really try this out before I go play pickleball. I think that would be a good little like test because I am sweating. Like I literally have sweat dripping down me. And you know, my foundation really does hold up well, but I would like to see how well it holds up with this guy, if it holds up even better. So thank you so much, MILANI. We're gonna put this to the test. Okay, so next up from Hourglass here, what did they send over? Oh my God, this is heaven for me. Oh no, I just dropped one. You guys know I love a good blush. Oh my goodness. I'm just seeing this now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are their Unreal liquid blushes. Look at how pretty these are. There's a total of 7 shades. They also sent over the number 15 blush brush to apply them with. But these are so pretty. Okay, so first off, we're gonna swatch some. We have the Unreal liquid blush, and this one is in the shade Scene. It's a soft, warm pink. Oh, the applicator is so different too. Look at this. It's a little, is it squeezy or do you twist it? How do you do it? How on earth do you do this? Do you twist? Do you push? Oh, wait. I feel like maybe you push, or are there directions to this? I feel like it might be push. No, that doesn't sound right. How do you get it out? How do you get it out of the container? Oh shit! Oh God. That thing just like squeezed out. So I think you push it from the bottom. Oh my God. Hang on. The color is really pretty. So this one is called Scene. This is definitely a color that I am going to gravitate to. I love that. Really, really pretty. Let me get the excess off of my finger here. The container of it, I'm not the hugest fan with how to do it, but I don't know. I don't know. This next one is called Whim, and this is a bright pink. Let's see if I can figure this out and not squirt everywhere. Oh, okay. So you just like kind of push it and like have it going facing down and then push it. It's a lot easier. Okay, we figured it out. That's really pretty too. Oh my God, I'm gonna love these for the summertime. These are so gorgeous. And then we've got Vision, and Vision is a true rose. Okay, I'm getting the applicator now, okay? I'm not struggling anymore. Look how pretty that is. That's so pretty. You do get a lot of product out with it. And then we have the Peach Beige, which is called a Moment. Definitely want to shake these a little bit beforehand, but there is Moments. Oh, this one's pretty. This is Future. This is a warm coral. I love a good like coral shade. especially for the summertime. Look how pretty that is. All right, so the next one is Imagine. This is a rich terracotta. You wanna shake them up. And then, so we have rich terracotta right there. And then we've got Craft, which is a deep berry. Really pretty shades, so you guys can see all the colors there. Oh my gosh, I love it. So gorgeous. Applicator is a little iffy with me, but I think the colors are really pretty. I'm excited to try these out and I'll give you guys an update on them. We have a fun new collab with Over Cosmetics and it's with Hot Mess Mama Volume 2. So I think this is actually her second collab with them. And she came out with this little set right here, which retails for $49, but I think you can also get everything separately as well. But this is so cute. I love the colors. So you get a signature palette, Sweet and Sassy. You get a lip gloss, which is Butterfly Kiss, and a liquid lipstick, which is Gemini. So this is a really, really cute set. The colors for the lips especially look so pretty. So thank you so much, Over Cosmetics. I can't wait to try these ones out. And congrats to Hot Mess Mama on your collaboration. Okay, so next up I have a package from Pure Cosmetics and they sent over Get Glowing with a Single Swipe. Introducing On Point Tint Cream Eyeshadow and Primer with Peptide. Oh, how cool. So we have some eyeshadows here, some liquid eyeshadows. They sent over a brush also to apply it with, but let's go ahead and check out some of these colors. So we have Silk. Here is what the packaging looks like. This color looks really, really pretty. This is something I totally would put all over my lid. Oh yeah, look how pretty this is. Oh, I love that. Let's smudge it out so you guys can see it blended. Look how pretty that is. That would look gorgeous all over the lid. You can just keep it very simple and just leave it at that. And then we have Satin. And Satin is more of a, it looks like a purple, a metallic purple right there. And then we have Suede. Oh, Suede is really pretty. It's like a rose gold. That one's really, really pretty. And then last but not least, we have Cashmere. So there is Cashmere. Look how pretty that champagne shade is. Oh, I love that. I could even take this all over the lid and then kind of dab this a little bit in the outer corner and blend it out. I think that would be really, really pretty. I gotta try that. So thank you so much, Pure Cosmetics. These are gorgeous. I have another package from Pure Cosmetics and they sent over their Silky Tint. So they came out with a multitasking product here. Super excited about this. Oh my God, these look so pretty. So they have 4 shades. They also sent over one of their brushes. So let's check these out. First off, we have Berry Best. This is what the applicator looks like. And then you pull it open like that. All right, so it says, give cheeks and lips a complexion boosting. So this is a great 2-in-1 peptide infused formula. So this is perfect for your cheeks and your lips. Oh, this is a pretty color. Oh, I could totally see myself using that on my lips too and my cheeks. That's awesome. I love multitasking products. Okay, so the next shade that I have here is Coral Cosmo. Oh, this is really pretty. Oh, I love this one. Also for the lips. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay. And then we have You Go Pearl, which is a pearly champagne. So this is going to be more of your highlight, I feel like. This one I see being more of your highlight, which is really gorgeous. I love that good like light champagne shade. And then it looks like we've got the bronzer here. This is the Bronze Babe. Oh yeah. There we go. This is your perfect little summer collection right here. I really love this. I cannot wait to try these ones out. We have some fun blushes to go for. I'm really excited. Okay, so next up we have a package from 94% Say Their Skin Feels Firmer. You're next. Not sure who it's from, but let's see. Oh, we have Versed. So it's a press restart. It's an advanced retinol body butter. How do I get this baby out of here? There we go. We have a retinol body butter, which is really good to help exfoliate the skin. Oh, I can't wait to try this guy out. It's got tripeptide and curcuma butter in it. So definitely excited for that. So thank you so much, Versed, for sending this over. Next up, we have a package from Benefit, and they sent over Benefit's Most Wanted, your new holy grails, the A-Team, today's full face lineup, whatever you want to call them. They are just the best of Benefit for you. Oh, I love that. Oh, we got some goodies in here. Okay, so I definitely needed another one of these. This is the Precisely My Brow Pencil. I love to have those on hand just in case if I need to like touch up my brows up or so. We also have the Best Bronzer Hula, which I've been using since I was in 8th grade. It's a long time ago. We have the Deep Retreat, which is a pore clearing face mask. Then we've got Benetint, which is a cheek stain. And then I love this guy, the 24-hour brow setter. I've been using this one lately. And then we have the Porefessional Primer and also the Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I think that's it. So thank you so much, Benefit, for stocking me up. Last but not least, from Tatcha, we have the new Matcha Cleanse. Oh, we got some good cleansers today, you guys. So this is a daily gel cleanser with Japanese Kaio matcha, mugwort, and koak seed that gently clarifies and moisturizes skin as it balances oil and pH levels for a clean, smooth complexion. I'm excited to try this baby out too. It sounds a lot of like what I need. It purifies, decongests pores, minimizes makeup slip off, and reduces oil and shine. So definitely got to give this one a go. Thank you so much, Tatcha. All right, so that is everything in this PR unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Everything that I showed is going to be linked down below. If there's any discount codes to anything, it'll be right next to the links. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.